Hello everyone. So in this video we would practice some basic pandas practices mainly for apply function. Okay. And the dataset that we'll be using is for United States crime rates from 1960 to 2014. And I have taken this dataset from this GitHub. You can see that and you can download the dataset from this link. So first is we import our library. Second is we'll simply assign it to a variable called crime and we'll print the first 5 rows. Now let's solve each and every problem. First it says what is the type of columns? So how we can get that? By simply using info function. Alright. Yeah, so it gives us all columns and their types. Then it says convert the type of the column year to date time 64. Okay. So to convert the type, what we can do? Let's say which year it says year na. So this one. So crime dot year for data frame pd dot will use this function to date time, then simply we'll pass this and format we want is year, then simply if we print the information again you'd see wait a minute, crime na frame crime dot year format. Acha, this will be a block. Okay, so year now is of date time 64. All right, so our another question is set the year column as the index of the data frame. So to set the year column at the index, what we will do in our crime data set, we'll simply use this set in crime. We'll simply use dot set index where we'll pass our name of the column, then simply we'll drop true, and if we print this we would see that year column is now our index column, mean this one. Alright, so seventh one is delete the total column. It will be easy. I'll be using some different techniques. So I'll be using del function. We'll be simply doing this, then just print, and it will just eliminate that total column. Yeah. Now it says group the year by decades and sum the values. Okay, let's see. Group the year by decades and sum the values. All right. So how can I do that? For that we first need to resample to sum each decade. So crimes, let's write a new variable. In that we'll define crime dot resample with 10 as, then we'll simply sum it, right? Then we need to resample to get the max value only for the population columns, right? So for population column in crime we need population, first one will be up in caps population, then we need to resample it using that 10 as sample 10 is dot, we need the max value. Then finally we need to update the population column. So crimes of population, then assign it to population, print the crimes. And to see, it will group the year by decades and sum the values of it. All right, so now the last one is, what is the most dangerous decade to live in the USA? So crime dot, what we can do, apparently the 90s was a pretty dangerous time, so we can use this function idx max. So index wise we'll choose the max. So see, population 2014 and violent 1992, property 1991, modern 1991, all those things. So yeah, okay, so it gives us which decade is the most kind of dangerous to live in USA. So yeah, we have done some more practices. So thanks for watching.